I'm in the train now. The train is very well decorated and looks like an air. The normal Bangladeshi air as looks like an, I think, not so comfortable as like this train. So the seats are well decorated, and here is the eating tray. You can eat anything you want. There is an cafe and shops over there, so you can purchase anything. In every apartment you can find easily this. The weather is very cloudy, and from the morning it's quite heavy rain, and after that with a strong window I came here after so many difficulties. It looks in this video you might be looks not so fast the train is, but in here, if you were in here, then you can feel how much fast it is. But you can feel the rapid speed, but there is no jerking movement that can you feel. So quite comfortable and nice and well decorated. And you can find here everyone is so much polite and so helpful. If you don't understand anything and you need any help, you just expressing your problem, and might be about 90% people are so helpful, and they are very quiet and well behaved to you and help you as much as they can. In this short time period I find that, and even I know the 5 fingers of our hand is not equal, so some people are obviously bad, but the most people are very helpful.